Since we're starting things, I always start this. It's my work tractor. It's a 1948 Ford 8N. It's got a Dearborn loader, and the hydraulic pump was given to me by a friend. It's mounted in the correct spot for the loader, but it's not an original pump. We made the drive shaft as well. The engine already had the pulley with the splines in it. I built the bucket. It's a little bit wider than a dump bucket. Put the hydraulics on the front. The cylinders are new. Everything else I fabricated, the brackets and everything. Built the bucket so I could get some dirt with it. It won't lift a lot of dirt. These cylinders need to be rebuilt. They're tired. But that's a good old tractor. Got a back blade on it. I built the frame for that. I actually think it's a Alice Chalmers back blade. This is a hydraulic system. This has been started in a while. Help if I turn the key on.